Hey, this is Amber Stevenson, and I'm coming to you because I wanted to show you some of my personal favorite mom solutions when it comes to 31. So, the first one I want to show you is definitely our most popular. It is this one right here, and this is our zip top organizing utility tote. So as you can see, I put a sippy cup in there so you could see. Holds plenty of room. There's seven exterior pockets. You've got 2 on the front, some mesh elastic ones on either end, and 2 on the back. Now that's also, the end is also where I usually slide my All About the Benjamins wallet. So this does zip shut, so you've got the zipper option there, or if you don't want to zip it shut, you can tuck that down in out of the way. Inside, can't live without this. Inside, the super swap it pocket. Okay, these come in other patterns, so does that the zip top organizing utility tote, but I love this for so many reasons. Number one, just organizing the inside of the bag. Hello, that in itself is a win. Second, if you're like me and you switch bags kind of frequently, even if you're switching diaper bags periodically, this makes it so much easier. You just pull it out of one bag and drop it in the next and you're good. Sorry. So in here, there's pockets on the back side there. You can tell I've got wipes tucked in there. Pockets on the other side that are really nice. This even has like some ink pen pockets, so you can pop an ink pen in there. That's really handy. I also have a zipper pouch within this. And this is helpful because it helps me keep my kiddos' change of clothes and extra diapers and things in there. Now, I don't have one in diapers anymore. My youngest is 3 and praise Jesus, potty trained already. But I still keep pull-ups in here when we're traveling or whatnot. Or, you know, if we end up at a friend's house staying the night or whatnot, then I've got a pull-up on for him for overnight. So there you go. At least a change of clothes, though. Every kid always needs a change of clothes. So having that in there is really handy. You know, if I'm out to dinner with a friend and I need to, you know, run to the bathroom to change his clothes for whatever reason, then I don't have to take the whole bag. I don't even have to take the whole organizing in the middle. I can just grab the zipper pouch and go and leave this at the table with her and come back and it's no big deal. So that's really helpful. There's a lot of other smaller items that you can get, mini zipper pouches, all kinds of little things that you can use within that even more to make it even easier. The mini zipper pouch is perfect for those little restaurant, like entertainment toys, Hot Wheels, ponies, if you're, if you got a kid that likes the ponies. Any of those little things go great in a mini zipper pouch, and then you drop them in there and you've got those on hand all the time too. So there's that. So the zip top organizing utility tote. Next, if you're a little more casual with how you like your bags to look, this is our Retro Metro. This was actually one of my first purchases not purchase. I didn't really buy it. I was a 31 consultant at the time. I didn't buy it, but years ago when these came out for the first time, I got one, and my now 8-year-old was a year and a half, and we still traveled a lot via the airport. With 3 kids, we don't really fly that much anymore. But this was perfect. Her sippy cup fit in here. My water bottle fit on the other side. And then check it out. The super swap it pocket fits right down in here too. How about that? Gives it a little bit longer of a base and makes it a little sturdier, and it just makes it easier for you to access what you need. So great. And check out how cute this is. Oh, I love this. I also have it because, I also have it in this pattern, and I really love it in this pattern. Isn't that fun? Super cute. Okay, the next one I want to show you. So if you like the original one, the utility tote kind of a look, but you're more of what we call a north-south bag kind of gal. So the first one I showed you is more of an east to west. This one is more of a north-south. See what I mean? Again, that super swap it pocket Sorry, I wish I had a better way to show you this. Kind of hard in an RV. Super Swap It pocket. Drops right down in there perfectly. So there you go. This one, I usually put my wallet right here in this front pocket. Kind of keeps it handy. I usually tuck this in too. And then a sippy cup here. But there's also elastic pockets on either end. This has the nice feature of, has the 2 handles and the long strap. So when I'm trying to hurry and run and grab, I can grab it by the handles. And then as I'm chasing kids and running in, I can throw it like this and then grab the kids and I'm good to go. So check out how cute this is, right? This one also zips closed, but this one is actually, has a little bit of room too. So if it's really full, you can zip it and it'll like give you that extra couple of inches there. All right. And of course there's always, there's a flat pocket in there for you too. Easy enough. Okay. So for my fashionistas, right? I have a solution for you too. Sticking with the Super Swap It pocket, because you have to have this. Sticking with the Super Swap It pocket, the Around Town tote is my favorite. Ask anybody and they'll tell you I had this in, I did have it in every color and then the new catalog came out. So now I got a couple more I got to grab. This slides perfectly down in here, just like the other ones. And look how classy this is. It's beautiful, isn't it? You've got the cell phone pocket right here, which I can't live without. Boom. And I just love this bag so much. There's so much room, but if you don't need all the room, it doesn't look weird. You know what I mean? Like, you got some of those big bags that if you don't have them full, they look frumpy, I think is the word. This one doesn't do that. So you've got plenty of room if you need it, and if you don't need it, it still looks gorgeous. For the wallet, I can hear you. The wallet, I slide it right down in the Super Swap It pocket for this one. And I'm good to go. Ta-da! What do you think? All right, so there's some handy dandy mom solutions. The only thing, oh, while I got you got to check out the wallet in case you haven't seen my other video on the wallet. This is our All About the Benjamins wallet. This is one of the new designs for spring 18. I add a wristlet strap to mine all the time because it's so handy. I also have these on my keys. I don't have them sitting right there or I would show you, but I have these on my keys for another reason. So remember our handy bag, right? Pretend there's keys on here. This unsnaps. So I just wrap this around right here, snap, boom, and my keys are right here. Keys here, phone here, everything else inside organized in a Super Swap It pocket. It's amazing. I actually got stopped at Cold Stone by myself with my 3 children, 8 years old, 5 years old, 3 years old. And the girl working said, "Oh, I want to be you when I grow up. You're so organized." And I was like, I'm glad I have you fooled. So there you go. All About the Benjamins wallet. Unzips all the way around. And check this. I just got this one, so I don't even have my stuff moved over to this one yet. There's an ID pocket. Plenty of room for cards. Pocket here. Plenty of room here. Zipper pocket. Another pocket, and this has room for more of those cards if you need them. So if you have enough cards to fill up all of these cards, there's also plenty of room right here for your envelopes, for your Dave Ramsey envelope system. No worries. But truly, this is our most popular wallet ever, and I love it. Okay, so wallet, Super Swap It pocket, and then whatever bag style you prefer. All right? Any questions, just let me know. Bye.